find the derivative of f of x is equal to ln x squared plus 1. So, kunin muna natin yung inner term na x squared plus 1. And then yung outer term natin, that is ln, and then the inner term which is u. So, ito yung inner term natin. And of course, chain rule, dy over dx is equal to dy over du. I-multiply natin sa du over dx. So, identify mo natin yung dy over du. So, dy over du, so that is ln u. So, kung i-derive natin to, ito ay magiging 1 over u. So, ito na yung i-derive natin ng ln u, magiging 1 over u. So, therefore, ang dy over du natin ay 1 over u. So, multiply natin sa du over dx. So, yung du over dx natin, yun yung inner term, x squared plus 1. So, kung i-derive natin to, ito ay magiging 2x na lang. 2x. So, ibig sabihin 2x yung ilagay natin dito. So, ito, paano ito naging 2x? So, power rule, magiging 2 times 1, 2x, then yung exponent ay minus 1. And then yung constant, magiging 0 na yan, mawala na. So, 2x, 2 minus 1, so 2x na tayo. Okay. And of course, 2x times 1, magiging 2x over u. And sulat natin yung final answer dito. The function of the, first derivation lang tayo. So, 2x over. So, ano yung u? Ang u natin ay x squared plus 1. So, papalitan lang yan. Substitute. X squared plus 1. So, this is now the derivative of ln times x squared plus 1. Ito yan.